So you own a business and need to market your products through email marketing. You take care of content development, campaign design, managing large email lists, and executing the campaigns. You also need to look after the email platforms. But to your nightmare, email marketing is not working. Your open and click-through rates are poor, and most of your emails land in spam. At the same time, your email platform bill is skyrocketing, and you're not able to scale. You try to solve the problem, but figure out it's a lot of technical stuff. Don't worry. We at PostBox Services can help you. We can help you build your platform, manage your campaigns, and get your emails delivered to the inbox. Whether you are a small business sending a few hundred of transactional emails, or you are an affiliate marketer, or you're a large enterprise who needs to send millions of promotional emails daily, we can help you getting to the inbox of your recipients. Contact us today at contact@postboxservices.com and let's get it going.